Do you guys wonder where your everyday garbage ends up?
We've got the answer.
Bangalore produces 200 tons of garbage every day. That's equivalent to a whopping 73,000 tons of garbage in a year. Unfortunately, this waste ends up in a landfill, bringing along a host of other problems, from foul odors, leachate, pesky houseflies, harmful greenhouse gases, and the consumption of valuable space. The impact is undeniable. In August 2019, a heavy rainfall triggered a catastrophic dumpyard landslide, displacing 27 families and ruining their farmland. The result? Health issues and noxious smell for nearby residents. In response to this crisis, local city corporation officials sought solutions. Enter Mukha Proteins, a city-based company that rose to the challenge. In response to the dumpyard landslide crisis, Mukha Proteins came up with an innovative solution, BSF technology. But what exactly is BSF technology? BSF stands for Black Soldier Fly. This amazing creature is like the superhero of the waste world. It can efficiently convert organic waste into potent organic compost, providing balanced nutrition for plants. The larvae are a good source of protein for animals and even fishes. So where does this magic happen? Right at Mangalore's Solid Waste Management Center, where Mukha Proteins has set up its processing plant under the banner of Ento Proteins Private Limited.
Do you know? Mangalore is one of the first cities in the whole world to reduce carbon emission by 80%, odor and housefly menace by 90%, groundwater pollution by 100%.
The waste which is collected from our homes is brought to the facility. This pile of waste contains both wet waste and dry waste, which has to be segregated manually. The wet waste collected from our homes is segregated, shredded, blended, and put for processing for 12 days. 5-day-old BSF larvae is introduced into the processing area.
Do you know a BSF fly can lay 500 eggs?
These larvae are nature's ultimate recyclers. They eat everything from food scraps, rotting meat, to decomposing fruits and veggies. Each one can consume twice its body weight and can grow up to 5,000 times in size. After 12 days, these larvae are separated out from the remains. But their journey doesn't end here. They are converted into valuable animal protein sources. The wet waste which is collected from our homes is segregated and put for processing, where it becomes a feast for the black soldier fly larvae. After 12 days of munching, the larvae are separated out and the residue is left for further decomposition. This is passed through a series of tromels, becoming organic compost, which is perfect for gardening, feeding your flowers, fruits, and veggies. The residue is used to create briquettes, which are compressed blocks mixed with other agricultural waste, providing a sustainable alternative to firewood. And here's an amazing fact. Did you know that 1 ton of briquettes can help save 20 trees from being cut down for firewood? By using briquettes, you're not only reducing waste, you're helping save our precious forests. Till date, Ento Proteins has processed more than 60,000 tons of wet waste. For this amazing effort, AB InBev and Network 18's initiative, Sustainability 100 Plus Leadership Awards 2023 was awarded to Ento Proteins Private Limited.
Do you want this to be implemented in your city? Please leave us a comment below.
Ento Proteins is doing its best to transform our city. It is time for us to do our part. Let us start by segregating the waste in our home.